Let's understand how lead and lag allow to incorporate the practical consideration at site and can be used along with the four type of relationship. Lag is to delay the successor activity. Now suppose we have to do the grade slab and the column having a finish to start relationship. Then once the grade slab completed, only then the column can be started. Now considering the practical consideration, at least one day we require for the final setting of the concrete of the grade slab to start the column work. That's mean the successor activity of column must be delayed by one day. Now this practical consideration can be incorporated in Primavera through the lag option. Now here column has been delayed by the one day. Let's take another example. Suppose we have to do the footing and the backfilling, both having the finish to finish relation. That is, the finish of footing drives the finishing of backfilling. Now once the footing is about to finish, the backfilling at least require one day for deshuttering and waterproofing of the last footing, and hence we need to delay the backfilling activity by at least one day. This can be done again by the lag concept in Primavera P6. So again this practical consideration we will consider for marking and excavation activity, both having start to start relation. That's mean the start of excavation depends upon the start of the marking, but immediately start of the marking cannot result into the start of excavation. We require at least one day to develop the front for the excavation, and hence we require to delay the excavation by at least one day. Again we will incorporate the concept of lag to delay the activity of excavation, keeping the relationship between the marking and the excavation as same. Lead is to accelerate the successor activity. In Primavera it is negative of lag. Let's see with a simple example. Now the backfilling and the plinth beam has a finish to start relation. That is, the finish of backfilling results in start of the plinth beam. Now suppose before the finishing of backfill we want to start the plinth beam. That's mean we want to accelerate the plinth beam. Then we can use the negative of the lag, that is -1, to start the plinth beam one day before the completion of the backfill. And in this way the lead feature is utilized in the Primavera P6 to incorporate the practical consideration.